It's such a gratifying feeling to know that you've actually helped change somebody's life for the better. My approach with clients is I treat them like a friend. I talk to them, I help them find out how they got into this situation, how we can get them out of this situation, and I stop and I listen to their story. I've cried, I've laughed. You know, when you have a client that actually pours out their heart to you and then recognizes it on the internet to say, wow, Jackie impacted my life on a personal level. She was compassionate. She showed empathy. She was there for me through every step of the way. That means more than anything. All my clients that call me back 2-3 years later, they just want to say thank you. And then I know I've done my job properly because they've moved on. They're doing different things in their life. You know, I had a client on the way in this morning. She called me because she's able to pay her proposal off in full, her and her husband, and they're looking into buying a new home. So that makes me feel good. Davis Sklar is definitely the right place. They treat you as a human being, not as just a number. They make sure that you feel comfortable and you're relaxed and you know exactly what you're going to do when you walk out the door.